Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Manus AI review, ChatGPT competitor. Let's review Manus AI, often seen as potential ChatGPT competitor. Launched in March 2025, it's a fully autonomous AI agent capable of executing complex multi-step tasks from web automation and report generation to code deployment without constant user input. Powered by a multi-agent runner and test orchestration architecture, it has achieved industry-leading GAA benchmark scores, surpassing even top models from OpenAI. Its design integrates specialized modules, including image generation, into broader automated workflows. However, access is limited to invitation-only beta users with strict credit-based quotas. Starter plans allowing just 3 to 4 tests per month and subscription costs ranging from $39 to $199. Users have also reported runtime failures and raised privacy concerns due to its Chinese association and reliance on third party hosting. In short, while Manus AI impresses with autonomous execution for building projects like reports, websites, and workflows, its high cost, limited availability, and security risks keep it from being a true mainstream alternative to ChatGPT. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.